Hello, chosen ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Witch's Pickaxe in Witchspire. The Witch Pickaxe is one of the most important tools in Witchspire, since it allows you to mine ores such as copper and iron for crafting and progression. Before you can craft it, you'll need to unlock the recipe in the Luminaries menu. Thankfully, the only requirement is upgrading your hearth to level 2. Once that's done, the pickaxe becomes available at the workbench and requires the following materials: 10 carapaces, 10 froblin goo, and 1 gemstone. If your hearth is placed near the center of the island, head north to the shoreline where the crab-like creatures called specrus spawn. Defeating them gives you a good chance to collect carapaces. Travel northwest from the hearth area to find a froblin camp and cave. Defeat the froblins there, and they'll drop the goo you need. The trickiest material is the gemstone. These are rare drops that can come from many different sources. Froblins can occasionally drop them, rocklings found south of the hearth can also provide them, and you may even get lucky while mining ordinary ore deposits like copper or gold. There's also a very small chance that froblins will drop a witch pickaxe directly. In my case, one dropped an enhanced version of the tool, which was an incredibly lucky find. All in all, just about every mob that you defeat in the game and the ores that you mine will have a chance to drop gemstones. Once you've gathered all the materials, return to the workbench and craft your witch pickaxe. With it equipped, you'll finally be able to mine ore nodes and start gathering the resources needed for more advanced crafting and upgrades. And that's about it on how to make Witch's Pickaxe in Witchspire.